Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Now I've just spent the past few days displaying with the modern classic executive car stand at the Birmingham NEC. MCEC is basically a Facebook group that I help run with a few friends, and we tend to display at the November show and also at the restoration show, which usually occurs in March at the Birmingham NEC. Now, what you tend to see a lot of around that sort of time is a lot of videos coming out from various YouTubers and other assorted influencers, where they use all their sort of flashy equipment and fancy cameras to record high definition video of the show itself. Now, me being me and my channel focusing, I'd say sort of probably a good 70% on consumer electronics rather than cars, I decided to sort of combine the two interests of mine, consumer electronics and cars. And what I've done is I've utilised this 2002 Samsung something or other, Samsung VP L800U 8mm camcorder using the Video 8 system to take footage of the show. And that'll be appearing after my bit of introduction waffle, which you're currently experiencing right at this precise moment. Now, Video 8 is actually an interesting format, and it comes out of the ashes of both Video 2000 and Betamax. Now, it's called Video 8 because it uses 8mm wide tape rather than the standard half-inch that VHS, Betamax and Video 2000 used. It comes on these little cassettes, which are not that much bigger than a compact cassette, a compact audio cassette. In fact, if we look at two side by side, I've got my Sade Diamond Life tape and a Video 8 cassette, you can see that size-wise they're quite evenly matched. I'd say that the compact cassette is slightly wider, but obviously the Video 8 cassette is deeper, as you can see there. I'll just pop that back into its case. So all I needed to do to get this camcorder working was to purchase a charger, because I've lost its original charger, and also purchase a battery because I've lost its original battery. And I actually found this double capacity battery pack online, and I purchased this rather than the standard size battery pack, which is about that sort of width or that sort of depth. And that one actually lasted for the entire show and beyond. In fact, it's I think there's still life in it now, so it hasn't needed to be charged since I got it. So I have digitised this footage in already, and what I'm going to do now is basically demonstrate how to digitise this the old school way, as the kids would say. And what we are going to use for this is we are going to use the camcorder to play the tape. Obviously there's the cassette, so we'll just pop the cassette in. There we go, and the cassette just pops in like so, and then that closes nicely like that, and then that goes back into there. There we are, that's ready to go. Nice things about the Video 8 format: it uses DTF, or dynamic track following, which is something that Philips pioneered for the Video 2000 system. That means that there is no need for a separate tracking control because the tracking is automatic. Right, let's grab the relevant cable that we need to use. So this will obviously differ depending on the deck, but this one's got a little AV out socket on it here, and we're just going to plug that in, and then using this generic Daewoo VHS DVD recorder, we could just plug into the AV port on the front, as you can see there, and we'll actually switch this to playback mode. There we go, and we will select the input. So our input is going to be a front AV socket, AV2, AVF, which is front. You can see there that's currently displaying the display from the camcorder. You'll also notice that the battery is full as well. Now, I don't want to have that display on screen, so I can go into menu and I can go to display and I can turn that off, and then menu to exit, and then we basically have that. Now I can also test that this is going to work okay, so we'll just hit play. It'll say no signal found, but then there you go, you've got the video footage from the show being displayed there. So let's wind this back. In fact, I'll just show you the pause. So that is pause, a little bit of noise, but not bad otherwise. And if you do rewind, you can see that rewind, pretty good. A little bit of noise, but not too bad. Actually, that might be fast forward. Sorry, rewind is that one. So rewind. Again, really not bad at all. And then we'll be back at the, there we are, back at the beginning. And we'll do this the old time-proven way of doing it. So we're going to do a record on the DVD, so we'll just do record mode. So we're going to check DVD is standard play, and we'll just do record for the DVD, and then play on the cassette. And there we go, the DVD is now recording. So that's recording. We're going to let that carry on and do what it needs to do. And the next bit of footage that you will see will be the various elements of the show. I'm not going to do any narration or anything. This is really just to sort of show that I've used the Video 8 camera to record footage from the show. Just something a little bit different. Anyway, enjoy the video and thank you for watching.
Starting to mean to go
Jump through it.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
Got you in it. Nice to see you.
And you.
At 10.
With the good, I mean, the good.
Meeting weekly. They decide that the officers
Yes, you can connect the powers and ground to 12-volt battery and have it just lit up. To get the red candle speed as it works, get values to the lasers. So you can alter, I mean, it's not a toy game now, and I don't want to start fiddling.
No.
Through the tensiometer Robert built into it, we can alter the engine and road speeds and the gear select as well. So you could do 6,000 RPM at 20 miles an hour.
Thank you.